In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly find and use the Calendly Embed code so you can integrate scheduling directly into your website. This makes booking easier for your clients and gives your site a more professional look. Before we start, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. First, log into your Calendly account and head to your dashboard. Choose the event you want to embed. Then click on the Share button next to the event title. This is where you'll find all your sharing options. Next, select Add to Website. Calendly will show you different ways to integrate it, but for a clean and professional look, choose the inline embed option. This places your Calendly widget directly on your web page without pop-ups or redirects. Once you select inline embed, click Continue and Calendly will generate your embed code. Simply copy that code and paste it into the HTML of your website where you want the scheduler to appear. And that's it. Your clients can now book appointments directly from your site, keeping everything seamless and professional. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.